Hello friend, so this is my first video, and first of all I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Dhananjay Singh and I'm a software developer, and actually purpose of this video to improve my communication skill and learning English as well. So every day I'm what how to learn English, and I'm watching numbers of videos. But everyone say if you start to speak with anyone, so you can improve your communication skills. So actually problem is that if I don't have those type of friend who is non-well English, who correct me and correct my communication skill. So I'm watching multiple videos, but the problem is that if I'm speak with someone, so main problem is hesitation. So I thought how to remove my hesitation. So I thought I'll be start to make a video when I'm start to make a video. So making a video. So I'm trying to speak my front of lots of people, and when I'm start to speak with lots of people, so, first of all I am reduce my hesitation, and second I get a feedback from our friends and colleagues to where I need to improvement, and also if I'm doing any mistake, so people share me where I'm doing a mistake. So therefore I'm starting the making of videos, and uh, and uh, and every time you get a new video, so from now. So this is my first day, therefore I'm very nervous, and uh, I'm stuck in every sentence and not properly frame the sentence, but still I'm trying every day. If not possible to every day, so I will make a video in a week, 2 and 3 videos per week, and it will be shared on Instagram, as well as possible to share on YouTube channel. Uh, and Actually here is very sunlight, therefore I'm not properly visible. So before actually when I'm starting the recording a video, I'm very too much nervous. So I thought how to start, what I'm speak with the people. But firstly, if I'm not start today, so when I'm start, because every day I'm thought, I will make a video tomorrow. Yeah, I will start making a video day after tomorrow. But every time I'm thought, but not making a video. So that's why I thought, why every day I'm just only planning. Why not starting? So just now I can show you everyone. So this is the uh, uh, place. Actually, I am coming from an office, so mid of the way I'm stop my bike, and start making my first video. I know it's a very tired video because I am doing lots of mistakes. There are some kind of uh, first key been first time I'm trying to speaking English with front of camera and front of people, and second can too much nervous. Huh. So yeah, that's it. So if you like my video, so please with your friend, as well as you comment on my video to where I need improvement and how to improve my vocabulary, how to frame a sentence. Huh. If in video I have too much noise because I am on the road, so uh, I will start in future to use uh, mic, recording mic to reduce the noise problem. And please share to more people and comment on my video. This is an unfiltered video. Uh, I'm not starting to after learning English because I am watching a multiple video there. The people start to making a video, but those people who know very well English. When I'm find a first video, so I'm see those people who know well English. So I thought and on YouTube channel, on YouTube and Instagram, there are not this kind of video where the people really start from scratch where uh, he is doing too much mistake. So I thought I will start from scratch where people really watch uh, how to improve my communication skills in upcoming days. So that's it. Thank you.